Hi Martin, this is Mónica Castanyer and I am Montse Paradedo from Escola Gem in Mataró.
We've been using Moodle for 8 years now. We had the chance to meet you in Moodle Mood Barcelona. That Moodle Mood changed our perspective of teaching and working. We saw that sharing and cooperative work are key words to keep learning and keep growing.
We are a school with students from 0 to 18 and we use the tools that Moodle provides us to feed our students with different learning styles. And we have also created an open community following your philosophy, and this community is for parents, for families, for teachers, for students, for anyone in fact. So thank you.
Thank you.